we threw the Ritz crackers, and these white seagulls came in. The seagulls came to get them. There's one right there. You miss him. There you go. Another one there. I went too deep. He couldn't get it because they went too deep. They're too wet already. Hey guys, how about the one right there in the edge? That one. There you go. I told you when we were away, somebody's gonna eat them. Now they're eating the crumbs that are floating. Huh?
Why? Because they can go inside of the water?
No, they can't go, they can't dive. A little bit. He caught a piece. Look, he's gonna try to get it again. What? They're sinking. The pieces are sinking. Oh look, he dived. He's diving for it. He dived for it too. Oh shit, he dived for it for real. You see that shit? Huh? Huh? He went in the air. Oh,
He's going down. He won that cookie.
Oh man, he wants that shit back. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit, again. He's the only one that dives. You see that shit?
Yep. I had it.
He's the only one that dives.
I have it in video.
I know, it's that one right there. Look, with the black wings. There he goes. There you go, buddy. Oh, again. They say, hey, go, boy, you go.